warning for South Central Zapata County in Deep South Texas until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists indicated torrential rain of 2 to 3 inches per hour from slow-moving thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall. Doppler radar estimates of 2 to 4 inches of rain has fallen in the warned area. The runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Other locations that will experience flooding include Lupeno and Morales Sanchez. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. Move to higher ground now. Residents living along streams and arroyos should take precautions now to protect life and property. Do not attempt to cross swiftly flowing waters or waters of unknown depth by foot or by automobile. To report flooding, have the nearest law enforcement agency or radio report to the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Brownsville. Don't become a statistic. Turn around, don't drown. The National Weather Service in Brownsville